In a big setback to the DMK, the Anti-Sanatan remarks by Udaynidhi Stalin has come back to haunt the party. Madras High Court has made some scathing observations calling Udaynidhi's remarks anti-Hindu. The court observed that the controversial remarks made in 2023 on Sanatana Dharma are hate speech. The Madurai Bench of the Madras High Court has made some strong observations calling Udaynidhi's statement a clear attack on Hinduism by the DMK over 100 years. The High Court also pointed out that no case has been filed against the minister for his hate speech in Tamil Nadu. The court made these observations while quashing the FIR against BJP leader Amit Malviya. The BJP, of course, has welcomed the court's observations, calling it a vindication and saying that now even the courts have acknowledged that DMK is anti-Hindu.
First of all, I would welcome the verdict of the Honorable High Court Bench of Madurai. See, the irony is the person who has made a statement has been untouched, not even filed an FIR in Tamil Nadu. But on the contrary, our social media in charge, national in charge, our leader Amit Malviya ji has tweeted about his speech, but an FIR has been filed against him. So now I think because of this judgment, it has been once again proved that how DMK is anti-Sanatana Dharma, anti-Hindu, and even Deputy CM frequently with an intention of consolidating the minority vote, he is making these kind of remarks.
It's a scathing comment by the Honorable Madras High Court. After all, the comments of the DMK leader were distasteful. They were clearly anti-Sanatan. To consider something that crores and crores of Hindus and Sanatanis believe in, to call it a disease, is unacceptable. And eventually, a FIR is lodged for someone, and that is Amit Malviya, protesting about it, making a comment on it. The very fact that the court has come down so heavily and considering and has considered the comments of the DMK leader as a hate speech is confirmation that their agenda was clearly anti-Sanatan.
The Madras High Court has quashed an FIR against Amit Malviya for raising the issue of DMK's Yuvraj, Udaynidhi Stalin, saying Sanatan should be eliminated and exterminated. Madras High Court has said that these comments are anti-Hindu, anti-Sanatan. They qualify as hate speech, something that the Supreme Court has said. And it has also said that the continuation of the case against Amit Malviya would be an abuse of law. There's a long chain of anti-Hindu comments by the Congress. Today, the Congress party and the DMK should answer.
Well, the legal storm follows September 2023 remarks of Udaynidhi Stalin, where he called for the eradication of Sanatana Dharma. In Jan 2025, the Supreme Court had declined to entertain writ petitions seeking criminal action against Udaynidhi Stalin. But DMK has defended the statement by Stalin Jr.
The Sanatana Dharma debate is already settled. The Deputy Chief Minister himself clarified that we are only against the eradication of inequality aspect within Sanatana Dharma. There has to be equality. Humans being cannot be differentiated based on birth. The matter that came up today in the court and for which the FIR was quashed is completely unrelated matter, whereby a FIR was filed against a BJP spokesperson and that has now been revoked. So that has that can't be compared with this. And an individual can have whatever opinion they want, but as a party in power, as a government, we are supposed to follow the constitution. We are supposed to stand for equality and equity.
The judgment of the Madras High Court, where the case against Mr. Amit Malviya was quashed, is erroneous in the sense that the judge has misapplied law and facts. The judge has made several comments which are not germane to the case. The judge goes on to say that the DK and DMK are against the Hindus for the last 100 years. There cannot be any misconception than this. If there is a party which is worked for the welfare of the Hindus, that is the DMK party.